Hey, it's Peter, your go-to guy in real estate investments, passive income, life tips, artificial intelligence, and travel. Welcome back to the channel where we explore a diverse range of topics to help you thrive in both business and life. Surprising as it might sound, nearly 90% of the world's millionaires over the last 2 centuries have achieved their wealth through real estate. It's a fascinating statistic that underscores the potential of real estate as a wealth-building tool. Today, we delve into the world of real estate investments, exploring the top 5 common types, each with its unique set of advantages and drawbacks. We'll illustrate these with real-life case studies, offering a glimpse into the diverse landscape of property investing. First up, we have the traditional residential real estate investment. This is where most investors dip their toes in. Think houses, apartments, townhouses. A classic example is Mr. Smith, a savvy investor from London. Mr. Smith purchased a townhouse in an up-and-coming neighborhood. He rented it out, earning a steady rental income. However, he also faced challenges such as maintenance costs and managing tenant issues. Next, we explore commercial real estate, which includes office buildings, retail spaces, and more. For instance, Ms. Johnson, a New York investor, owned a small office building. She enjoyed higher returns compared to residential properties. But she also dealt with longer vacancy periods, often waiting months for a tenant. Third on our list is industrial real estate. Warehouses, factories, and distribution centers fall into this category. Consider Mr. Patel's experience in Mumbai. He owned a warehouse leased to a logistics company. While the long-term leases offered stability, the property required significant upkeep, a factor that ate into his profits. Fourth, we have raw land investments, a less commonly tread path. Ms. Martinez, a Texas investor, bought undeveloped land with a vision to sell it to a developer. She faced the challenge of no immediate income and the risk of property value not appreciating. However, when a shopping mall developer bought her land, she made a substantial profit. Finally, we have real estate investment trusts, or REITs, a way for individuals to invest in large-scale, income-producing real estate. Mr. Tanaka, a Tokyo-based investor, invested in REITs and enjoyed the benefits of real estate investment without the need for direct property management. However, he also faced the volatility of the stock market, a factor absent in physical real estate investments. As we've seen, each type of real estate investment comes with its unique set of benefits and challenges. But remember, no investment is risk-free. It's about understanding these risks, doing your due diligence, and making informed decisions. Real estate investing might seem daunting, but don't let that deter you. Start small, learn as you go, and who knows, you could be on your way to building significant wealth. After all, real estate has been a time-tested avenue for wealth creation. It's not just for the millionaires, it's for anyone willing to learn, invest, and grow. So why wait? Start exploring the world of real estate investments today. Discover your potential, unlock your wealth, and create a legacy that lasts. Once again, this is Peter, your go-to guy for real estate investments, passive income strategies, life tips, and insights into artificial intelligence. Don't hesitate to reach out via the details below to kickstart your journey with me as your mentor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel